Hello, and thank you for joining us. In this presentation, we're going to be demonstrating the Project Docs JumpStart, powered by Box. Now, you're probably wondering, should I be watching this video? So here's a couple of questions to help you get to that answer. First, do you need consistency in how you store your documents, standards on the folders and so forth where documents will be kept? Would searching on business-specific metadata be important to you? Is it important to get up and running quickly? Do you want a system that can grow as your needs grow? Well, if you answered yes to these questions, then it probably makes sense to watch this video. So let's get started. Here we are in Box, and of course we're demonstrating the Project JumpStart solution, and this name can be whatever is appropriate based on your implementation, but of course we're demonstrating the Project JumpStart, and it has three primary folders. The folder templates. Now, folder templates location is where the templates for the different folder structures would be, because obviously you would have different folder structures based on the type of job or project or deal or matter. And then the job folders is where you would have the actual documents being stored for the given project or deal or matter. Now, new job drop zone is the trigger. This is where we start the entire process. So we basically will drop a document into here. I'll grab a document. And by dropping this document, we're going to start the process of building the folders and all the metadata inheritance rules. With the document inside the folder, we'll just click on it. And of course, I'll come over to Details. And you'll notice that this metadata template was automatically assigned to this particular document just by dropping it into the drop zone. So we'll give it a job name. My great job. And of course, the template we want to build out, again, these could be more appropriate names for your business, but these are the templates we're going to select. I'm going to select the template 1 to be built out. Now, the document type trigger is, what is this document we have in front of us? It's a bid document. If there's a subtype, I can select that. It may not always be a subtype. And then, of course, decide what collaboration groups I want to share this document with. So I'm going to collaborate with the construction team and of course information technology. So these two groups will be collaborators on this particular folder set. And all I do is hit save. Here we are back to our primary folder structure underneath the JumpStart. And of course, as I said, under the jobs folder location is where our great job would be. In other words, where the documents are that we are storing. Now, if you'll notice, the entire folder structure was automatically built out by virtue of the template we selected. And if you remember, it was a bid contract that we uploaded. So here's bid letters. And there, of course, is the document. If I click on it, you'll notice down the right-hand side, we go to Details, scroll down, you'll see it changed the metadata template to a job document. It put the job name, the doc type, and the subtype, therefore allowing you to search for this document as opposed to only navigate. Now, of course, you'll be adding documents to the folder structure as time goes on, and we want to make that as simple as possible in terms of being able to search it later. So we're back to our folder structure here. I'm going to go to Change Orders, and there's Extra Field Change Order. So now I'm going to drag a change order into the Extra Field Orders folder. And when I click on the document, I'll go to Details. You'll notice it automatically assigned the job documents metadata template, assigned the name My Great Job, the document type change order, and of course the doc subtype extra field order, because that's the folder that we dropped it into. And of course the reason we do this is to facilitate search. So it automatically assigned the metadata just by dropping it into that particular folder. So now let's do a quick search. I'll go up here, choose metadata. And of course, we're looking for our job documents. And we can put the job name if we want. My great job. And if you remember, the first document we put in was a bid document. And of course, that subtype was bid letters. So I select that and just hit search. And it takes you straight to your bid letters. You can click on it and review that document. Same thing if you remember, we drag and drop the other document, the change order. So we want to look for that document. So we'll go to our job documents. And of course, My Great Job. And we'll go to our change order. Choose extra field order and hit search. And it takes you straight to your change order. And if you remember, all we did for that change order was drop the document in the folder. It automatically assigned the metadata and we're easily able to search. So what did you learn? Well, you learned you can easily create and maintain standards for storing your documents. Searching on document properties without manually adding them is possible. The solution can grow as your needs grow. So what are your next steps? Well, it's time to reach out to Mac Strategies so we can help you like we help our other clients.